So my project is on math and pool. Um, I'm so sorry about it being late. My baby is teething, so he was really hard to get to sleep. Just been crying all day, so couldn't really record my voiceover until I got him to sleep. I wanted to talk about the method in pool that people use to like make a perfect bank shot. And it's called the diamond system. So the diamonds are all the little like markings along the wooden edge on the like perimeter of the pool table. Each diamond is assigned a numerical value, so the pockets are 0, and then depending on where your target is and where you're wanting to bank off from, the numbers on the side are go by tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, and so on. And the numbers on the opposite side also are the same. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, and so on. The thing with doing the diamond system is that you have to know the law of reflection. So the side of the pool table that we're banking off of is going to be the surface that the reflective surface, and in this case the incident ray is the where we're like shooting our cue ball. That direction is going to be the incident ray, and then the direction that it banks off of the reflecting surface is going to be the reflected ray. So the angle of reflection is equal to the angle of incidence. Now let's see that in action. We want to get that 8 ball in the target pocket, and this target pocket is at 0, and so we need to figure out what angle we can use to get our cue ball to bank on the other side of the table and then come back and knock our 8 ball into the target pocket. So if our incident ray is coming from 40, the diamond 40, and that's where we, in this situation, want to shoot our cue ball from, and we want it to bank off the other side, and we want it to get into, we want the 8 ball to get into the target pocket that's at 0, then we need to split it right down the middle. So between 0 and 40 is 20, and that's how it's going to work every time for this specific system, is that half of 40 is 20, so we're going to go from 40 to the 20 diamond, and then it'll come back to 0. You can see how, setting up this situation, that triangle looks very much like the triangle in the example for the law of reflection. That's because that's exactly what's happening. It's just instead of like a reflective surface of light or something visual, it is like a tangible act that we're doing. We're reflecting the cue ball off of the side we're going to bank off and reflecting it right back toward our 8 ball so we can get that in the pocket. And here is another situation where we're banking off the longer walls of the pool table instead of the shorter walls. And again, it's going to be 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And the reflecting wall is going to be the exact same values assigned to the diamonds. And this situation is going to be a little bit different because we're going from 60 to 0. So we want to split that in half and have our surface of reflection be right at the 30, right in between. Because we know the angle from the incident ray and the angle from the reflecting ray need to be equal, and we're going to split it right down the middle from 60 to 0 and bank off 30. It's actually pretty fun once you figure it out, to be able to like calculate your next move in your head, and where you want to bank from, where you want to stand from, and it helps you decide too, like when somebody scratches and you get to pick where you're playing from. It helps you decide where the best way to play from is. So yeah, it's a little bit of simple math, an interesting connection to the law of reflection, and a way to improve your pool skills. Thank you guys for listening to my presentation. Again, I'm so sorry for it being late. Babies are gonna baby, so thank you.